Why am I here? What am I called to do? Is this all there is? These are the questions that keep us up at night. Your purpose is a roadmap to a more meaningful life. One with more joy and energy, more drive, more fun. Join me, Dr. Christine Whelan, as we go on a journey, an exploration of all sorts of possibilities to turn that amorphous idea into reality. In this 5-week course, my hope is that you will take the time to ask and answer those questions of what matters most to you and how to make it happen. For me, I'm juggling a lot. I'm a professor, I do some consulting, I'm also the mom to 5 kids, and let me tell you, life gets pretty chaotic. So knowing the why behind what I do is very important. In this DreamBank Dream Academy series, I invite you to take another path, to claim your power, to claim your energy, to claim your joy on a whole nother level by asking and understanding what purpose means to you.